Okay, so the key difference here that you're talking about, the third one here, what is this rope doing? So this one here is very similar to this one here in terms that both have two pulleys. One fixed and one movable pulley. But the difference is, so this one has this rope helping to pull up, and this one has this rope helping to pull up. But this rope here is just changing the direction that you're pulling. It's not pulling the block up. Over here, this rope is pulling up, this rope is pulling up, and this rope, since you're pulling it up, is also pulling it up. So this one has three ropes helping lift the object, whereas this one only has these two ropes helping to lift the object. And this one is just changing the direction. This is basically the same pulley as this one over here, where you have two ropes pulling it up. But the difference is on this one you could be standing down here on the ground pulling the rope towards you while your object lifts up, and this one you have to be standing up here in the air. Okay, so that's the difference between those two and the difference between those two. So anytime the rope is pulling up, it counts in terms of mechanical advantage because it's being helpful. If the rope is going down, it does not count for mechanical advantage.